I thought it was really cool, and I'm curious on what it means to you. In your email signature, you have, if not for glass, science would be blind.
It's kind of there's a dual meaning to it. I mean, glass is clear, right? So without glass, you wouldn't be seeing what the heck's going on with your reaction or whatever you're doing with your research. And the second part of that is that glass has been involved in 7 out of the 10 most important inventions for humanity. And everything from antibiotics to all the laser research that's going on right now, it all has to do with glass. We're in it in some capacity. My role at the university is the scientific glassblower, mainly for the chemistry and physics department. I'm currently the only scientific glassblower in Western PA. My uncle was an offhand glassblower. He did it with a big metal pipe when you dip in Nevada molten glass. And I was kind of helping him one summer, and I found a magazine with scientific glassblowing in it, and I was just blown away. So I asked the guys in that hot shop what it was and where I could find somebody that did it, and they actually referred me to somebody that was in my hometown. He had a small shop. He would open at 6:30 in the morning, so I'd show up at 7 with coffee and I'd hang out to noon and just sweep his floors. And then a year later, I ended up going to school for scientific glassblowing at Salem Community College, graduated there and just went into industry, and 10 years later I'm here. I work for so many different departments. It's all over the place. I don't know what's going to come in the door next, and it's exciting. I like it. I'm extremely busy here servicing Pitt, CMU, and Duquesne. I mean, on average, I do 15 to 23 work orders per month. Yeah, I got no shortage of work. One of the major benefits that I can provide the students is like the direct contact. So if somebody can design something and come into my shop, we sit down and sketch it out. And it can either be a modified apparatus that's out of a catalog or off of a shelf, or we can build everything from scratch. I mean, it's the level of communication that researchers have with the glassblower and the turnaround time cost. If you were to go into industry and go to a scientific glass shop, the whole business triangle of quality, time, and cost just out the window, and you're at their mercy, as opposed to here I'm working for Pitt, for the researchers, making sure that everybody functions. What brought me to glass is I'm not like a PhD level smarty pants. So what I can do for humanity is I've discovered that I'm really good with my hands and designing stuff with my mind. That's my contribution. And I fell in love with glass when I walked into the scientific glassblowing shop for the first time and I saw apparatus. I mean, I get such gratification just from making stuff, and then I can even go into a lab and give it to somebody, and I can go in a week later and I can watch them use it. And that tickles me to death. One of my other goals, though, is to get a piece of glass into space. So if anybody's out there, I'd love to get a piece into space.